What's up everybody, it's Mello. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Also follow me on Facebook at Mello'Z Nailz and Instagram at Mello'Z_Nailz, both with a Z. Now in today's video, I am actually doing a set of polygel nails, the same one I did in my review in my last video. So here I'm actually going in with my dehydrator. First thing I'm doing, I do that on there twice. Then I'm going in with my primer. These are both from Artisan brand. I'll put the link below to where I get them from. And I go in with 2 coats of primer. So I do my prep just like I'm doing, regular acrylic nails. I do the same thing except for the base coat. So here you're gonna see me going in with the base coat that came with the kit. So I just did 1 coat of this on each nail, and then I cured it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now if you have a UV lamp, then you would cure it for 2 minutes. Alright, so now it's cured. I went ahead and put my forms on. Well, my form on. I only did 1 finger at a time. Now here I'm going in with that dark pink polygel from the kit, and I'm gonna get started on these. Now I want you guys to let me know in the comments, because I don't have too much experience with this polygel. So I think I've done like 1 other set. So if you have any advice, any tips, anything for me, please let me know in the comments below, because I could really use some help with this. After, I've been wearing them now for some days, and I know for next time I do them, I definitely, for this length, I need to do them thicker, because they definitely weren't thick enough. So I know that is one thing that I need to do, but maybe these are not good for long nails. I don't know. Like I said, I don't have that much experience, but you guys let me know in the comments below. And also I will put a link to my last video where I did the review on the polygel in the cards above. So you guys let me know in the comments, and I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video from here. Thanks guys. Okay, so hey guys, I wanted to come back in at this part. Here they are after I've cured them. I forgot to mention earlier that I cured each one after I did it. So I cured it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp again, 60 seconds. So here they are now after I filed, shaped, and buffed them. And they did come out pretty good. They look, you know, they look pretty good. But like I said, I can tell from where the polygel met my natural nail and right at my finger, they were kind of thin, especially in that area. So I noticed now I had some cracking there, so I'm gonna have to take them off. But they came out pretty good in the end. They look good. They're just not sturdy enough because they're not thick enough. But anyway, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and see you in the next video. Bye.